This is to show you how to change your bulkhead assembly with the pressure switch and the solenoid on a 1500 PSI, a half gallon, 1 gallon, and 2 gallon. For starters, you'll need to remove your tubing, which you can remove with one of our tools. You push in on the tubing towards the fitting. Use this to push the fitting, the end of the fitting in. Pull the tubing out. This can also be done with a crescent wrench, like this, pushing into the fitting. Make sure that your pump is unplugged because you're going to be pulling off electrical connections. Take the 2 wires off of the solenoid, the 2 wires off of the pressure switch.
Wait him.